We've been on a long, complicated but committed journey to get to this point, and commissioning of the ship is a key milestone in that journey.
May God's blessing be upon the ship and the personnel hereby entrusted to your command, and may your joint endeavours to uphold the high traditions of the Royal Navy in the service of Her Majesty the Queen be crowned with success and happiness.
A true flagship for the 21st century. The most powerful and capable ship ever to raise the white ensign, she will, in the years and decades ahead, represent this country's resolve on the global stage.